The Francis Crick Institute represents a once-in-a-generation significant £1 billion scale investment in research capability addressing challenges in biomedicine. And it wouldn't be right if that investment was just limited to the relatively small number of people who work at the Crick. There's a quiet excitement and confidence in making progress against some of the big questions that biomedicine is addressing today. The attachment scheme is a way of allowing a much wider community of scientists from institutes like Imperial College, UCL, King's College to access this resource, both to help enhance the research at their own institutions and for them to enhance the research at the Crick Institute.
I'm a clinician scientist from UCL and I've been seconded to the Francis Crick Institute.
I'm a Wellcome Trust Senior Research Fellow and I'm seconded to the Crick from King's College London.
I'm a postdoctoral research associate at Imperial College and at the Crick.
I'm a Professor of Physics at Imperial College London and I work in the Photonics Group Satellite Laboratory at the Crick.
It's like working on a different campus, and my lab get to enjoy the building and use all of the facilities and infrastructure that is available to Crick researchers.
The Crick has a very unique research environment. It brings together many disciplines, many areas and fields of biology.
In an environment and on a scale that is only available in a very few places in the world. If you move to the Crick, you're in very close proximity with a wide range of colleagues with whom you can work, with whom you can develop programs, which can develop new ideas.
The interactions that happen so naturally at the Crick with people from different backgrounds and from different fields really enhance our research because they allow us to look at it and to look at the problem with new eyes.
You have access to a whole load of science and technology platforms
that let you perform experiments that you couldn't do elsewhere.
The attachment scheme's been fairly easy to slip into. Balancing things between Imperial and the Crick's been pretty straightforward. People do keep in touch, so you could probably combine those fairly easily.
Being attached to the Crick has really opened my eyes to the breadth of science that goes on inside this building. It's not something you see in a university department so much. So why should people apply here? Well, I think it's new, it's exciting, it's big, and there's a lot of cool science here.
Everybody here sort of, eats, lives and breathes it. It's not just one collaborator, it's a whole institution.